Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by simplifying the panda into large shapes. Draw a circle for the head and an oval for the body. Use a 0, 5 pencil and light strokes so you can erase later. Once done, add a vertical centerline and horizontal eye line to place eyes and nose accurately. This prevents lopsided features. Make sure ear and limb marks follow proportion, roughly 1 to 1.2 head to body. These foundations save time when you progress to value and texture. Now decide a single light source, for example top left, and block in midtones first. This sets the overall contrast. You apply darker tones to the eye patches, ears, and limbs, work in layers, gradually increasing pressure for deep blacks while keeping transitions smooth. Once done, use short, directional strokes that follow fur growth to suggest texture, and soften with a blending stump where appropriate. Make sure to lift tiny highlights with an eraser to convey sheen. Finish by refining edges and sharpening contrast. Use a stump to gently blend transitional tones while preserving the deepest blacks in the patches. Once done, step back and check proportions. If the snout or eyes feel off, erase lightly and nudge shapes rather than overworking the paper. If shading becomes muddy, lift values with a kneaded eraser and rebuild midtones in thin layers. This method recovers clarity without losing texture. Finally, add a few crisp hair tips to sell realism.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.